So today we have something exciting for Kindle fans in the UK. Amazon just announced its lineup of its next generation of Kindle Scribe, including the first ever color Kindle Scribe. Let's dive into what's new, what it can do, and whether it's worth your attention. In its latest devices announcement, Amazon has completely refreshed the Kindle Scribe line for the UK market. These aren't incremental updates. They've reimagined the devices for productivity, writing and reading. So we get a brand new ultra slim design, which is just 5.4 millimeters thick and weighs around 400 grams. It's 40% faster in writing response and page turns, thanks to a new quad core chip, more memory and updated display tech. The display is 11 inches glare-free, designed to mirror the proportions of a physical page, making it ideal for reviewing full-size documents. For lighting, there's a new front light system as well. So there's a version with a front light system, twice as many miniatured LEDs, tightly integrated into reduced bezel size and offer more uniform brightness. They've also improved the tactile feel too. The glass is texture molded to improve friction, reduce slipperiness, and reduce the screen slip feeling common to many tablets. And then we have parallax, so the gap between where the pen's tip appears and where it touches is minimized via a re-architected display stack. The writing feels like it's on the page itself. So the overall design is all about making reading, writing, and annotating, so the whole workflow, as natural as possible. The showstopper is the Kindle Scribe Color Soft. This is Amazon's first ever color writing Kindle. It uses color soft display technology, combining a custom color filter and light guide with nitride LEDs, allowing color rendering without the harshness of traditional LCDs. You have a new rendering engine that allows for color to be soft and natural whilst remaining fast and fluid. Like the monochrome versions, it offers weeks of battery life, and crucially, it does not have distracting apps or notifications to pull you away from your writing. In addition to the color, it supports 10 pen colors, 5 highlighter colors, and a shader tool for gradient, tones, shading, and it helps for sketching, illustrations, annotating, and creative workflows. This means whenever you need to highlight lecture notes in color, sketch diagrams, or just write in style, the Color Soft gives you a new dimension. But the hardware is only half of the story. Amazon have added a bunch of software and productivity enhancements to make this even more usable. So you get an all-new home screen and quick notes, you get support for Google Drive and Microsoft OneDrive, AI-powered notebook search, notebook exports to OneNote, workspaces so you can organize your books, documents, notebooks in folders for easier navigation. And for color models, you have 10 pen colors, 5 highlighter colors, and a shader tool to create smooth gradients and richer detail as mentioned before. So how about the pricing? Kindle Scribe with front light will start at £449.99 in the UK. Kindle Scribe Color Soft with color version here starts at £569.99. Kindle Scribe without front light at a lower cost option that starts at £389.99. All the models will come with a premium pen which requires no charging and magnetically attaches to the device. Amazon is also offering 3-month subscription to Kindle Unlimited with the device. So a bunch of new features, a bunch of functionalities and AI and all that kind of stuff to make this worth considering. So if you're into note-taking, if you're into reading books, if you're into annotating, you want to import stuff, whatever it is, you'll be able to do this on these devices. So which one would you go for? Let us know in the comments below. Is it worth your attention? Let me know in the comments below as well. If you have any questions, do drop them there as well. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.